Hello guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you a product, a work from home product, which you can promote using Bing ads and how you can get loads of traffic using this advertising network. Okay, so let's begin. So here in affiliate marketplace, click this e-business marketing. So once you click that, you will see these results. So come over to this first one, get paid to use Facebook. So we open the when we open this sales page, we will come to this quiz page of their sales page. All right, but we will be using here Microsoft Advertising, Microsoft Ads, or Bing Ads in order to promote this, and we will be using a landing page using the pagepro.com because we cannot just directly link the our app link from Microsoft Advertising here using the app link that we get from ClickBank. We will need to have a good engagement with our visitors using a landing page. Okay, so before we proceed, I just want to make a reminder, guys. Before you start affiliate marketing, make sure you have enough money. You are not broke, okay? Because here you must be ready to lose money, okay? Because it's not guaranteed that you'll earn money. This video is just to show you a way on how you can start with it and provide you tools, free tools which you can use to start your affiliate marketing. All right, guys. So let's proceed. What we can do here is first we will be creating a landing page. Okay, so to do that quickly, sign in with your account here in the Page Pro. Now, once you are here in your dashboard, click this Add New Landing Page. Now here, let's quickly add the landing page. So here, the title is let's say online social media jobs. So that will be the title of our landing page. So just paste that over here and just use normal, and path name is let's say online social media jobs. All right. Okay. And then just tick yes, and then just tick yes, and then here continue to apply because we are offering a opportunity to work from home, so we will say on our bottom continue to apply. Okay, and then here we choose the color, let's say blue. This is the color of our button and the top bar section. And then the affiliate here, link, come back here and then click on promote, create app link, then copy this one, very important. Go back to Page Pro, paste that, and then top bar we can just grab from here. So we can just take this, okay, copy that, and then come back here. So really amazing to how quickly we can create landing page on using the pagepro.com. Okay, and then the headline we just use whatever we can get from the sales page. Okay, so let's do that. And then the image section, so we come to here. If we don't see any good image on the sales page from ClickBank, we can always head to the website called text on image generator. This is the website, texonimagegenerator.com. So here it's originally to create some text and then a high quality image at the back. So what we can do here is just delete that, and here we find work remote. Okay, so okay, once we have the image, yeah, we can image opacity so that it's a good quality, and then download the image. Very easy. Okay, now once we have the image, come back to the Page Pro. So we will be putting it here. So scroll up, click this manage image. Don't worry, it will open in a new tab. So from here, upload that image that we have just saved. Okay, select this image, upload that. All right, once it is uploaded, just copy the file name, very easy. Come back here. So we paste that, and what we always do is add some bullet points around here that we can grab from landing page. So here there's not much text that we can get. What we can do here is use our content generator. So in this website called the textify.com, so come over to blog tools, and then here compose blog paragraph. Okay, and then here let's type some keyword working from home job. Okay, benefits, we can do that. Okay, then write paragraph. All right, so the textify.com has given us a good good resource, good content that we can use as our bullet point. Okay, so we copy this. All right, so even without the text from the sales page, we can always generate a good content for our landing page using the textify.com. Okay, so come back here. We have our bullet. You can remove the numbering here because it's a bullet. It will generate the bullet format for us. Okay, save the landing page. Okay, now let's have a look. So look at that. Our landing page is almost ready. We can get started promoting this one. This is better if we can find, an image, a product image actually. So let's see this. Okay, I think we can use this. And then what we can do is this image itself we will use on the article section. So let's save this. All right, now we will upload it. Let's browse that image. Okay, once we have uploaded that, we can use this as our main image. So copy that, copy the file name. Okay, go back to the editor. We'll paste the file name here. And then this one, cut it like that and paste it here. We will be using that for our article section. Now, the article headline will be, let's see here. Let's just copy that from the sales page and then come back here. Make sure it is heading 1. All right, and then the article text. So since we don't have that much text here, what we can do is okay, again, generate some text using the Textify. Let's do that. Okay, so I changed the keyword to social media job. I think this one is more fit in our bullet section, so we copy that, come back here. So we put it here in our bullet section, and then this one here, let's grab them and then paste it here in our article section. Okay, now again, same thing. We remove this. Okay, and then this one, we're done. Once you save that, okay, now let's view the landing page. Refresh this. Okay, this looks much better. Look at that. Okay, it's ready to get promoted. Okay, continue to apply and it goes to our affiliate link. Okay, this is beautiful. Okay, so what we just need to do here is this part we can put under the image. Do this one time. So scroll down to the article section and here copy this string and paste it there. Then save. Okay, now we refresh again. Okay, looks much better now. Look at that. Ready to get promoted. It's clean looking, simple, okay, without spending too much time on, designing your landing page. Continue to apply. So important part here is how we create a campaign and the keywords that we choose. Okay, now to do that, come over to Microsoft Advertising and here in Keyword Planner, look at this. This is what I'm going to show you guys. So type in work from home. Okay, and then make sure United States is there. Get suggestions. Okay, and then come over to keyword suggestion here, scroll down and click this average monthly searches, sort this to the highest. Now don't worry about the suggested bid, just select everything and then look at this, guys, add selected to estimates. So we will see how much traffic we can get. Okay, so here let's say we are willing to pay 0.20 cents a click. Okay, and our budget per day will be $50. So let's get estimate. As you can see, we will get almost 2,000 visitors. Okay, almost 2,000 visitors when we add all these 30 keywords, just 30 keywords, and we'll get these 2,000 visitors. Imagine if you set up your campaign and your landing page looking great like this, you will have a high chance of landing a sale using this one, because people nowadays, they're all looking for jobs that can be done at home, and this one pays good. As you can see, 289. Look at that. So that means 289 unique affiliates have made sales in the past 30 days. So you can be one of them. Okay, so just follow this step, but it's not guaranteed, as this is how it depends on how you set up your how you make this your landing page really engaging, and the way you set up your campaign. Okay, and the amount of bid you are willing to do you are willing to spend. Okay, so look at that, almost 2,000 visitors. So this will be your spend. Okay, so if you don't want to spend $50 a day, you can just reduce it to 20. Let's see, and then your bid will be 15. Let's see if you still get enough visitors. Well, still decent. All over 1,000 visitors, you can still get over 1,000 visitors. Okay, for $20 budget and 15 cents a click. Okay, now let's quickly set up your campaign. Okay, so come over here, create a new campaign. Make sure you select this one, visit my website, and then select search ads. Okay, in order to do that quickly, so since we already have this in our keyword planner, so here what you can do is to quickly set up a campaign. Select that, and what you can do is save to my account here. add to create new campaign. So the campaign name will be work from home. Okay, even I will do this, campaign myself because, look at the traffic, almost 1,000 traffic, and the cost per click is 15 cents. And this product is really selling well, and our landing page is ready. Okay, so you can do the same thing, guys. So I'm showing you the way you can get started easily. So here, once you have this, uh, click this. All right. Now click this create ads. Create ads for your new campaign. So here you will be landed directly to the campaign setup. So here, work from home. Everything is set. Our bid is there as well, 20 cents, and budget is 20 per day. You just need to create the ad. So just click that and select this one. And here, head over to the Page Pro and click this all landing pages so we can get the URL. This is our newly created. Copy that and then come back to here, paste the URL, very easy, and then headline, online social jobs, no experience required. So it's very easy to use this Microsoft advertising. So 50 per hour, you can do that, right? Very easy to set up. Look at that. And then here, post your post job for social media workers, sign up today. And then we need more workers. Wow, look at that, we're done. Look how fast we can set up. And what's nice about this Microsoft ads is, it extract the image from the landing page itself. Look at this. This is the landing page that we have built. It's already deployed. Like it's online instantly. So as you can see, Microsoft Ads already detecting our landing page, right? And even giving us descriptions and headlines so we can easily complete our campaign. Okay, once you're done, you're satisfied with it, click on save and let Microsoft Ads do the review within 24 hours. And then once it gets approved, you will receive those traffic amount that I showed you. Just monitor them and adjust your bid accordingly. Okay, and then hopefully we'll get some sales. All right, so if you want more tips about this affiliate marketing, guys, so just subscribe if you haven't, and I'll be leaving the free tools that I use on the description below. Thank you and see you on the next video.